Hello friends, in this lecture we will see planar milling with trim boundary. Means if I want to trim some boundary which is inside my cutting area, I can use trim boundary. So here I have two boundaries. So in one I'm just using the planar milling and in second I'm using the trim boundary. So first of all, MCS is top of this face, and now I'm defining my workpiece and blank as a bounding block. Now tool, so I'm going to increase the size of this tool. Okay, so increase this size and length. So this is a tool which I'm going to use, and number. And if you want to add tool holder, so we can retrieve the tool holder from the library, and I'm using this medium compression tool holder. Okay, so from this create operation, this is the planar milling operation. Select the tool, workpiece and method and click OK. Here first we have to specify part boundary, so click this and we have this face and curve. So first I'm going to use this curve. Okay, and select this connected curves, and the tool side is my boundary is a closed boundary and tool side inside, so that the tool will cut inside this boundary. Add, I'm going to add another boundary. This is another boundary. Tool side is in and the plane is automatic because we have selected the top of this face, so this boundary is also generating on the top. Click to cancel. If I'm going to select this, okay, it is coming inside this. Okay, so just cancel it. Again I'm doing this, say this curve, and first I'm using this connected curve, tool side is inside. Add. For next I'm using this bottom. So what is happening, the boundary is creating on lower face. Okay, it is generating here, so I want to generate on the top, so that time we have to specify this plane so that boundary will come top of this part. Now define the floor, this is the floor and that is the same for both, and we can use only one floor. We can use only one floor, and that will be the common for all type of region, that may be open or closed, whatever it is, the specific floor must be the same. Step over is 40 and I'm going to use this follow part or follow periphery, so I'm using follow periphery. I want to do the finishing and depth of cut is 1. Okay, and geometry, under this geometry specify blank boundary. So now I'm going to specify blank boundary, means in which blank boundary I'm going to cut this specific area. So this is a boundary. Okay, from this, and add another boundary. Okay, so we have two boundary, and specify trim boundary, which area you want to skip, which area you don't want to create toolpath. So this is the face where I don't want to create. Okay, trimming side is inside, so inner portion will trim. Okay, and click. I'm skipping this portion, we can add, but our tool is a little bigger, so it cannot pass from this space, so I'm skipping this portion, and rest are the same. And here from strategy I'm going to use this depth first. So first it will cut the depth, then it will go to another pocket. See here, it is looking the same for the both one, but if I am going to verify this in 2D dynamic, then you will see what is actually happening. Here it is skipping the inner portion, and in second pocket we didn't specify any trim boundary, so it is not generating any island. Okay, so this is the planar milling with trim boundary.